Hello everyone, in Nice Day channel. Today, we're going to talk about the best ways to stop distractions and stay focused. We all know that life can be overwhelming at times, with constant interruptions and distractions. But with the right techniques, you can learn to manage your focus and stay on task. Firstly, one of the best ways to stop distractions is to set boundaries. This means identifying when you need to be focused and when you need to take a break. You can do this by setting specific times for work, studying, or any other activities that require your full attention. Another effective way to stop distractions is to use the Pomodoro technique. This involves breaking your work into 25-minute intervals, with a 5-minute break in between. After 4 intervals, take a longer break. This technique helps you stay focused and avoid burnout. Another useful technique is to use the Do Not Disturb feature on your phone or computer. This way, you can't receive notifications or alerts while you're working, which can help you stay focused and avoid getting distracted. Finally, it's important to take breaks throughout the day to recharge your brain. This can involve going for a walk, doing some stretching, or simply taking a few deep breaths. Taking breaks can help you stay alert and focused, and prevent burnout. In conclusion, there are many ways to stop distractions and stay focused. By setting boundaries, using the Pomodoro technique, and taking breaks throughout the day, you can manage your focus and achieve your goals. Remember, staying focused and productive takes practice, so keep experimenting with these techniques and find what works best for you. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.